Welcome back to my channel. So this method, if you have not tried this method, don't more, you are slacking, you are dawdling, you lie. So this is what I do every Saturday, and you guys, within 5 minutes, if I'm not even exaggerating, 5 minutes, I'm done washing and peeling my beans, and we are already eating our akara or moi moi. So you should try this method and let me know in the comment section if you love it, or if you have tried this before, let me know. You just blend it. You have to be very careful, blend it slowly, and yeah, that's it, you guys. It will just, the back will just peel. All you have to do is just to rinse and then sieve. That's it basically. You can see what I am doing. This thing I'm doing didn't work. I just had to get what's that word now? What's that thing called? You guys, you see it in a moment. I don't know if have I shown you guys. Hi now, wow. What's the name of that thing? Jesus, English. Hi now, wow. Fitter, be waiting. It's not fitter, Jari. See, I don't even know. It's like I've passed that place. This thing, what's not they call this thing, greater try all my days. Okay, so Naimo, this is what I use after just to get it finally to get all the back out. And you guys, nah, you don't finish, you don't do your beans, you don't wash them, you don't even shop Akara. You do when people they sweat, you don't shop Akara, clean mat, finish you, my sister. This is what I use every Saturdays, and I have been loving the method. So I decided to share with you guys. Will you be trying it? Are you sure? Will you be trying? Let me know in the comment section. And if you've not watched my other videos, please do well to go and watch them, because why not? Alright, give me a huge and a massive thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, my loves. Bye.
Master keys. I want to flex my lover. I want to bless. And I want to call him my love baby. To the blessed the love. I'm a woman. I want to bless. I want to call him my love baby. To the blessed the love. Daiwu, yeah. Daiwu, yeah. Daiwu, yeah. Although, you know that my body's calling.